What did you do? What did you enjoy? What did you enjoy about that? Hi guys, welcome to another episode of the Traveling Hobbit. I'm Neil and this is Bishop.
Morning.
And we are at the Florida. So we're just about to wander around. What we have here is we have kind of like a small forest over here, and we are also going on an airboat, right?
Yeah, got that booked up.
Yeah, so we're booked for 11:30. We have an hour to wander around.
Yep.
And yeah, there's a lot of animals over here. We're just going to explore it, and look at this. A peacock. Peacock just right beside us, in front of us, wandering around. So if you're new here, make sure you press the subscribe button below, just right here. Like, comment, and share, and comment something back, and press the bell as well so you can see our videos every week, guys, okay? So let's go! Take a look at this alligator. It's massive. Look at that.
He would be Crusher.
So there's Crusher. You can see his big head there. So what we're going to do now is, well, I'm going to act like a distressed animal in the water. Alligators have sensory organs that lie in their jaws. Those look like freckles all along his jaws, right? So those sensory organs pick up on movement, vibrations, things like that. So while I'm back here splashing around, I could be a potential food item. So hopefully Crusher stays over there instead of coming to eat me. Are you ready? Are you sure? All right. Help! Help! I'm falling and I can't get up. Life alert! All right. He did a good job, but I'm not going to push it too far, so I'm going to get out of the water now.
We're looking for alligators here now. There's a lot here. Oh, bloody hell, there's a lot. Look at that. Wow.
Yum, yum, yum. Give me treats. Yum, 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 yum.
We're just walking towards the swamp. Pretty here. You can hear birds and wildlife talking to you. Can you hear that? Hope you can hear that. That's a cool show.
That's good.
Yeah, the crocodile alligator feeding show is quite good.
It's very well trained.
Yeah, very well trained. We're going to the airboat now, and let's go.
I don't belong in the desert. I've never longed for someone's hand, but when you came straight from nowhere, 1 minute I was over that. We saw the world from the same perspective, though I was there to breathe again, and I went straight for what you wanted, through the desert there and back again.
Right up on top of that tree. That eagle just flew in there just
Yeah.
a second ago.
Oh, that's still there.
See him?
Yeah, still there.
We've got the third largest eagle population. It's Alaska, Minnesota, Florida. We've got quite a few of them here. They're big birds. Their wingspan about 6 feet or so when they're full grown. They live for about 30 or 40 years and they mate for life. Just a few eagle facts. Big fish eaters, they eat a lot of fish. If they can't get fish though, they will eat other small birds and small animals. They just prefer to eat fish.
Whenever you need my guidance, whenever I can hold you still.
front of us. See a gator? Yep. Let me get a little closer. You guys see him?
Yep.
You can stand here in the back if you want to. Just don't fall in. If you do fall in though, you got to scream and yell, wave your arms around, make as much noise and commotion as you can while you're in the water. If there's any other gators in the area, that will draw them in for us. Baby one right there, you see him? Little guy. So that one's probably about a year and a half, 2 years old roughly. Remember, they grow a little less than a foot a year till 7. So their size is their age until 7.
So that's the boat, right?
You can hear again.
We can hear again. Yeah, it's cool. Half an hour, but you can have an option of doing it for an hour. I think that's much more better. But this is cool as well still. But yeah, it's really cool. We saw 2 alligators and some wildlife.
And eagle.
An eagle. There we go. It's quite a lot. So we're heading towards the kind of like the zoo here and see some more animals. I'll catch you later, guys, okay? If you're new here, make sure you press the subscribe button below, like, comment, and share, and comment something back. And press the bell so you can see our videos every week, guys. I'll see you around. It's working. We're just having lunch, and then we're going to the wildlife park just across the road. So stay in touch, guys.
I don't have plans for the future, but now I know that you'll be there. The only one thing that matters, I'll go anywhere and back again. Right in
This is a white peacock. Look at that. Peacock. Let's put it here. Oh, cool. Look at this python.
See, the water's so perfect. Like better than the other day.
Yeah, way
Crazy. Swimming with a gator.
Swimming with pressure.
It's cool though. So what did you do? What did you enjoy? What did you enjoy about that?
I quite like the boat tour, but it was quite short. I think we'll probably do the hour.
Yeah, it's 30-minute boat tour, but it's not too bad.
It's nice. It's good.
We've done the 1 hour one, but that's much more better actually compared to the 30-minute one. So if you're going to Wild Florida and do the airboats, do the 1 hour instead of the 30 minutes. And
30 minutes is $29.99. That's dollars, so about $30.
Yeah.
But that includes the park.
Yeah.
And I think an hour tour was $49, so slightly cheaper in the grand scheme of things. And again, it includes the park.
Yeah. But it's not too bad from Davenport, where we live. It's about an hour,
10 minutes.
10 minutes, yeah. Drive. So it's not too bad to come here.
Yeah. And for the people that say, oh, you're sort of going to a park where animals are caged, they all seem relatively happy, and they've all got fans and lots of water and ice. So even though it's a hot day, they seem quite cool actually.
Yeah. So they're well taken care of over here.
Yeah.
There you go. So we're heading for ice cream. Yay! I'll see you later, guys. We're still in Wild Florida, but we're going to be heading off soon. I hope you enjoy that. Make sure you press the subscribe button below, like, comment, and share, and comment something back, and press the bell so you can see our videos every week, guys. Okay? So from all of us here in Wild Florida in the Everglades, always remember, guys, create happy memories and always keep smiling. I'll see you soon. Bye.